May hapon ba? I just finished filming a video earlier on my English channel. You can check it out. It's more long. This is the second video I filmed for today, and it's not going to be, well, of course, every time you try to do kanang second mga video, it's not really the best, and there will be a lot of things missed. So I'm going to link that video down in the description below if you want to check it out. Yeah. So the video today is all about my hero. That is my dad. Today's the 26th of August, 2024. And kuan kanang ugma birthday sa akong dad. I don't know how old he is if he was still alive tomorrow. I don't know. I didn't prepare for this video. I usually just bring the camera up in front of me and try to film, and that's how it's been most of the times. And I try to write something about it. I tried to write something about my dad, all my appreciation, all the things that he'd done for me, all that he did. And I kind of lost it. I don't know where I placed it, but I'll maybe say that another time. But I had that written down, and failed to look for it now. Anyway, tomorrow kanang birthday niya, and I just want to take this opportunity to thank him, appreciate him, and tell him that I love him. He's not here with us right now, and he's gone. Kanang I'm the only male in the family, although I'm the middle child and I'm the prodigal son because I'm the only son. Kuan ko kanang, I don't know, spoiled, but I didn't know I was spoiled. I did not see na my dad was trying to make me the best person that I am today. I didn't kanang wala ako kanang wala ko maghuna-huna kung unsay ang gibuhat sa ako then nga importante dai sa ako karon. Daghang kay pambuhat nako. Daghang kay kanang things he did for me that he tries to teach me. He try niya nga makaton ko, and I do things and ako lang gi-overlook, and it sucks right now thinking I can't tell him, I can't thank him, I can't even hug him happy birthday, I can't even tell him I love him, and it sucks. But yeah, in making this video, I'm just having this tribute for him. Yeah, I appreciate you, Dad, wherever you are. If you're listening, thank you. In my mind, I didn't think I was spoiled. I was a kid. I just want to do happy things. I just want to play. I just want to go with my friends and everything else. And every time my dad would come to me, magkuna-una ko nga kanang nanasad ni, so go na sa go, nasa ko ibabuhat sa kuha, and I didn't like it because I just want to be free, and I didn't know nga ang iyang ipambuhat na ko para sa akong future. And in saying that, one of them is like when I was like 12 years old, kanang grade 6 ko adto, iya kong gitawag, Kel, lari nga re, gawas ta. So he asked me nga mga tumisa kanang gawas sa among ulibo. We have this kanang round nga murag landscape nga garden sa gawas sa Mumbalay, and it has a fern in the middle and Bermuda grass on the side. It's like round and everything. And then he asks me like, "Alilingkod ta nga re, inom ta." He had some drinks. I forgot unsa to. I think it was beer. I don't know. We were drinking beer, or was it hard drinks? Tanduay. I forgot. I really forgot. Or I didn't bother to think. So he asked me, inom ta. And one of the things that really impacted me was when he told me that kuan na ka, grade 6 na ka, or something. Grade 6 na ka. Dako na ka. So, ikaw na ang sunod nga head of the house after me. So, you can take care of your sisters. You can take care of your mother. You can take care of me when I grow older. So, dako na yung responsibility. Let's go. Mag-inom ta. So, he asks na mag-inom yung duha. And it's like, yeah, how many dads would ask your son to drink with you? Not because they just want to drink or not because you're an alcoholic, but you just want to celebrate that your son's mature enough to make decisions for the house. Although I wasn't really mature then. I was like grade 6. We talk, sige lang istorya about stuffs. We talk about things in the house. We talk about, unsa na siya diha. We talk about drinking. We had a bit of sip. Sige lang istorya. Normal nga inom nga nagstorya lang. And dili ko aware na it was just him telling me that you're grown up and you need to be responsible. You need to take care of your life. You need to have direction. You're allowed to drink. You're allowed to do this. You're allowed to do great things, but you need to make sure that you have everything in order. You need to know that you need to make the right decisions from now on. You have your family to look after. You have your parents to look after. You're there. You're not a kid anymore. Wala akong na to painom na ko, sugtan ako inom. So nanala ko na nakagamay akong utok. So we're drinking and then nahubog siya. So higda siya sa Bermuda. Hubog na ako. And then I was not drunk. Wala akong mahubog ato. So yeah, I finished the drink and at late at night sunod na ta. So I survived that drinking session and I feel so good about myself. So like, sakto giti daddy ka nang dako nang yun ko. Pildi ko siya good because my dad drinks but he always goes home and he's the best. He always is a responsible drinker. He gets drunk sometimes when he goes down, but the thing is he is very responsible in a way that I respect him. I didn't know nga muna siyang time nga iyan kong gingnan nga okay na inom and then you have a lot of responsibilities behind you. You should be responsible. I didn't think of that. And now that I'm old, I didn't tell him. I just feel bad I didn't tell him. Yeah. So another instance that I remember him is that kalimutan ko. Nag-video ko ganyan sa vlog na ko sa Pikas pero nakalimutan ko sa shit. When he tries to teach me how to fix the car. So yeah, fixing the car is the lighting is so bad right now. Should I change it? Let's just work. So he tries to teach me how to fix the car. And the thing is, kung bata ka, ganahan na ka magduwa. Hindi ka ganahan mo tabang. Ganahan na ka nagsigtaw TV, magsigduwa, magsigunsa. So that I was watching TV then, nagtalaw TV, and then he asked me, dali ka, tabangin ko ni. So went out and he had me hold a string from the back of the wheel and to the front. Akong ibitaron because we were trying to align the wheels sa car. So, gunit ka sa kuan. Old school nga pag-align sa car pa and DIY. So, I didn't know how, wala ko kasabot asa siya nagkatunan to because wala ba internet o no way by Google. Just search Google how to fix the car. Wala sa libro nga available. I don't know. I think he had that book sa Reader's Digest called Book of the Car. And I think moto iyang ginabasihan. But anyway, he told me that. And I said, sulay, sugo ko, kapuya, anak ko na. And then, sometimes he calls me out. Dali, ato ning tunuhon ng auto. So, amo nang i-tune ng auto. We have the Volkswagen. Among i-adjust ang katong karburador nga murag ma-change the timing. Among i-adjust ang gasolina, papinaw ng makina. I-adjust ang air and gasoline fuel. So, just para muutok siya baka ng nindot ihan tuyok ba. Ginito yung idle. I don't know where he learned it. But thinking about it now, you don't have internet. You don't have a book. Walay nagtudlo sa yaha. And it's not easy to learn, and he learned it. And he was imparting it to me. Iya kong itudluan. And I wasn't appreciative of it. I was just like, gisugo ko, inana. So I feel bad about it. I feel really, really bad about it. Thanks, Dad. Another thing was like, shortcut na ni siya kay ganina taas kay akong istorya niya. But di mo ko mag-script ko. It's sort of unsa ko na feel ba. Another thing is that when he told me how to use the camera. Every time they party, he's the fun person at the party. Everybody loves him. My cousin loves him. My cousin from his side loves him. Everybody respects him. Even yung mga neighbors, yung mga cousins, everybody respects him. Because the thing is, he is a very partial person. He's the best person you can know. He helps you. He helps everyone. He's level-minded. And he's a fun person. He's not a boring person. He might be strict sometimes, but yeah, you need to be strict sometimes. But yeah, he's that person. He's everybody's dad. Kanang tanang tao tawag yung daddy boy. And he's the best. And every time I party, he brings a camera. He brings a film camera. And during those times, film cameras are expensive. Ang film expensive sa siya. And learning how to do that, it's gonna cost you a lot of film, but he's learning it. And he takes photos of the family. Kuan niya, yung gibuhaton is set up siya tripod. Ako, naga-photography ko, naga-weddings ko. And yeah, I bring tripods. I bring all these things. And I got it from him. But it's not easy bringing a lot of things, getting ready and taking the photo and everything else. It's a lot of work. But for him, he's not earning. He's doing it for his family. And he tries to document it. He goes out, kuha siya tripod, set up niya. Everybody sit there, nana. Then human yan siya. O sige, yan din set timer. Taga din siya nga to, lingkod. So old school na timer ba. And he takes good photos. And I really like them. He has a photo of himself sitting, and I can see all his old photos, and they were good. He does self-portraits. Self-portraits are not easy then, because di man ka pwede mag-timer lang unless somebody was there. He told me have the camera. I think I pretty think it was him setting up the tripod and setting up the camera. And I'm in awe. He's so good. So every time I party, I want to do that also. I want to take photos of people. I want to do that. That's why I became a photographer now. One time, one party, he gave hatag sa ko ang camera. Oh, tara, picture me. So, picture, back. So I didn't know. I was just like, sige lang ko picture. Mahal di kayong pa-develop. And I started bringing the camera. I started going out, and I started using a lot of cameras. I started using a lot of film, and I love photography. And yeah, I want to thank him for it, because without him, wala ko'y interest in photography. And every time na I party, every time we gather, he's there to take photos, and that's what I want. I want to be him. And that's why kung naay weddings, kung reception, I'm the fun person. I take photos for everyone, and I enjoy it, because the thing is, yeah, I got it from my dad, and I just want to thank him. Thank you, Day, sa influence. It's a skill, of course. He taught me, I don't know, unconsciously he taught me how to do it, and I really appreciate it. I just wish ingnan ako siya when he was still alive, because I was more of a prodigal son. I was like thinking of things as I was kanang spoiled. I didn't know the importance of it. I was just thinking of myself. And now that he's gone, I can't thank him. Like, I'm in Australia now. If he was still alive, I would love to show him around and tell him that, look at your son. I can fix cars now. Kanang mga auto maguba. Dili siya pulido nga pag-fix, like little DIY. I'm more of a MacGyver type, where like whenever magubang car, I can try to look for solutions, look for guerrilla solutions. Kanang mga tinamba na solutions inana. I can fix the car. I do a lot of DIYs with my car. And these are new cars. And I have Google with me. I have YouTube with me, but he didn't. So, yeah, I'm good with that. I want to thank him for that. And photography, I want to thank him for that. Drinking. He tried to make me a responsible drinker, but I part of my life I wasn't. But yeah, I still want to thank him for that. And yeah, this is me showing appreciation, thanking you, Dad, for everything. Happy birthday. I hope you can hear me from above. I hope okay ka diha. And I hope you're proud of me. But also I want you to guide me as I go, because yeah, I want you to show me the way in any way you can, because yeah, I needed it. And also, I miss you. I love you. I miss you. I miss you so much. Happy birthday.